Okay, hello girls. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. So I'm going to explain the calculation. It's very simple, very straightforward. Okay, the shape that I chose is cylinder. Why I chose cylinder? Because it's easier for calculation. Second thing, most of the real life can that you see, it follows a cylinder shape. One is because better stability and easy to manufacture. Okay, because if you make in the shape of a cuboid all, it won't be so easy to manufacture. If it's a cylinder shape, it's easy to manufacture, and also good stability, because when you place it on top of a table or any flat surface, it doesn't topple. So there are two reasons. In case your teacher asks, please answer like that. Okay, so first we talk about the cylinder. Okay, when it comes to cylinder, the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. This one you have to know. Okay, the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and total surface area, please remember, total surface area is actually 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So you might wonder, sir, how you got this? I don't understand. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, you just need to follow. Okay, if you really notice a cylinder, there is a top surface here which is in the form of a circle, and there is a bottom surface here which is also in the form of circle. So we have two circles. So for two circle, each circle the area is pi r square. Since got two circle, it must be 2 pi r square. That's how you got this term, 2 pi r square. Okay, next one, this term, how we got it? Because we are focusing on the middle curve area, which I'm going to highlight in red color, which is this one. Okay, if you really imagine, if you open up a cylinder, into a cross section, it will open up into a rectangle. Okay, if I want to say in a simple term, if you take a kertas mahjong in the rectangle shape, if you roll, it becomes a cylinder. So what is really happening here? This area, I mean this length is the one forming the length here. So this length here is actually 2 pi r, circumference of a circle. If I'm taking this one to be my height, so this one becomes my height. So I hope you can imagine this. So this area, this surface area is length multiplied by the width. So it's 2 pi r multiplied by h becomes 2 pi r h. So I hope you understand the formula here, because the main thing that you really need to focus in this entire question is this formula. Okay, so make sure you understand this one. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so you want minimum total surface area. So when you want minimum, you have to differentiate this equation. But before you differentiate, please remember, here we have r, the variable is radius. Here we have r and h. So when it comes to differentiation, it's better to avoid two different variables. So we have to find the relationship between r and h. That's why there is an extra information given, which is the volume. Okay, they say the volume must be 550. So let's make use of the information. So pi r square is 550. So that means in our understanding, the height should be 550 over pi r square. So you can take this term and substitute inside here, which will make your total surface area equation equivalent to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r, and then the h is 550 over pi r square. So cancel. So my total surface area gonna be 2 pi r square plus 2 multiplied by 550 is 1100, and the remaining r here, I just bring it up so that it's easier for me to differentiate. So it's r negative 1. So please take note. Now in our equation, we only have one variable, which is the r. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to differentiate. So I'm going to put as t as a prime. Prime means differentiation. So 2 times 2 become 4 pi r negative 1100 over r square. Okay, because when I differentiate, negative 1 going to become negative 2, so might as well I put it down. And how I got negative here is because of this negative meeting this positive become negative here. Okay, and then after I differentiate, if I want to find maximum or minimum, the differentiation I must make it equals to 0. So I'm going to take this term 4 pi r minus 1100 over r square. I'm going to make it equivalent to 0. So when I make it equal to 0, when I bring this term the other side, it becomes 4 pi r is equivalent to, let me write it properly, sorry. 4 pi r equivalent to 1100 over r square. So bring the r up. So 4 pi r cube is 1100. So my r gonna be 1100 over 4 pi and then cube root because it's power of 3. So you have to cube root. So you will roughly get around 4.44. 4.44 centimeter. Okay, if your r is 4.44, can you find your h? Yes, substitute the r inside here. So the h is equals to 550 over, as you can observe here, it's pi r square. So 550 over pi 4.44 square. This one will give you around 8.88. 8.88 centimeter. So your minimum surface area occurs at radius 4.44 cm and height 8.88 cm. So you just need to take these two values, put back into this main equation here and find the minimum surface area. With that, you already answered this question. Thank you.